Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a driver cannot load on this device ene.sys. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need to do here is to open up your disk C, then press on three dots here, then go to options, view, and then make sure under the hidden files and folders show hidden files selected. Then you just need to find ene.sys, and then you just need to right click on it, rename it, then I don't know, put one, press continue. Then you need to go to Windows, then System32, then you need to look for drivers, and then here you need to look for ene file here, right? So let's look ene, and then what you need to do here is to right click on it, rename it ene1, and then you just need to restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to core isolation, then make sure memory integrity is off, right? And that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.